Badgers are among nature's most tenacious burrowers. These stocky, powerful creatures are renowned for their incredible digging abilities. With their distinctive markings and determined personalities, badgers have captured human imagination for centuries. They belong to the Mustelidae family, which includes weasels, otters, and martens. Found across multiple continents, badgers have developed remarkable adaptations to thrive in diverse environments. From the woodlands of Europe to the prairies of North America and the savannas of Africa. Badgers possess a compact and muscular build perfectly adapted for their underground lifestyle. They typically measure between 40 to 90 centimeters in length and weigh 7 to 14 kilograms. Their short, sturdy legs and powerful forelimbs are equipped with long, strong claws. These claws are perfectly designed for excavating even the hardest soils. The European badger displays striking black and white facial stripes, while the American badger features a prominent white stripe from nose to neck. These distinctive markings may serve as warning signals to potential threats. Their thick fur provides excellent insulation and natural camouflage. The European badger is a deeply social animal, living in complex family groups called clans. These clans inhabit vast underground networks of tunnels and chambers known as setts. Some setts are ancient, having been excavated, expanded, and passed down through countless generations, sometimes featuring dozens of entrances. Life within the clan is built on cooperation. They engage in mutual grooming to reinforce social bonds, work together to collect bedding, and collectively defend their territory against rival clans, creating a tightly knit and enduring community. In stark contrast, the American badger leads a largely solitary existence. This isn't a matter of temperament but of strategy. It's a nomadic hunter, perfectly engineered for life on the plains. Its flattened body, powerful forelimbs, and formidable claws make it a digging machine, capable of excavating soil with astonishing speed to catch burrowing prey like gophers and prairie dogs. This solitary digger has even been observed forming an unlikely partnership, hunting alongside coyotes. The badger flushes prey from below ground, while the coyote catches any that escape to the surface, a remarkable example of interspecies cooperation. Then there is the honey badger, a creature whose reputation for ferocity is legendary across its range in Africa and Asia. Its fearlessness is not bravado. It's backed by a formidable arsenal. Its skin is remarkably thick and loose, allowing it to twist and attack even when held in the jaws of a predator. Combined with powerful jaws, a high pain tolerance, and surprising intelligence, the honey badger will readily confront lions and venomous snakes. While it famously raids beehives, its diet is incredibly varied, making it a highly adaptable and opportunistic survivor, truly earning its title as one of the planet's most tenacious animals. The diversity continues across Asia. The Asian badger is a close relative of the European species, often sharing its social behaviors, though some populations are more solitary. But other Asian species are strikingly different. The hog badger, for instance, is named for its remarkable pig-like snout and large claws, adaptations for rooting through the forest floor for earthworms and tubers. This unique specialist, however, faces an uncertain future. Due to widespread deforestation for agriculture and relentless hunting pressure, hog badger populations are in decline. They are now classified as vulnerable, a sobering reminder that even for an animal as tough as a badger, survival is never guaranteed. Badger homes, known as setts, are complex underground tunnel systems. These elaborate constructions feature multiple chambers, tunnels, and emergency exits. European badgers create particularly extensive setts that can be maintained for generations. These underground homes are constantly maintained and improved. The entrances become polished smooth from generations of use. Some setts have been continuously occupied for over a century, passed down through badger families. Badgers are omnivorous, with diets varying significantly by species and location. European badgers have a particular fondness for earthworms and small mammals. American badgers specialize in hunting burrowing animals like ground squirrels and prairie dogs. They can excavate prey burrows with lightning speed and precision. Honey badgers have the most varied diet, including their famous love of honey. They can endure hundreds of bee stings to reach their sweet reward. Remarkably, they regularly take on venomous snakes, often emerging victorious. Their diet also includes insects, small mammals, eggs, and even fruits when available. European badgers live in social groups called clans, typically consisting of related individuals. Clan members engage in mutual grooming, strengthening social bonds within the group. They mark their territory with scent, communicating ownership and clan identity to other badgers. American badgers, in stark contrast, are largely solitary creatures. They maintain individual territories and rarely interact except during mating season. Honey badgers are legendary for their fearlessness and aggressive nature. They will attack animals many times their size when threatened or defending territory. All badger species are primarily nocturnal, becoming active as darkness falls. Their excellent night vision and keen sense of smell make them efficient nocturnal hunters. Many badger species exhibit delayed implantation, a fascinating reproductive adaptation. After mating, the fertilized egg remains dormant for months before implanting and developing. This ensures cubs are born at the optimal time when food is most abundant. Litters typically consist of 2 to 5 cubs, born blind and helpless. The mother provides intensive care, nursing and protecting her young for several months. Young badgers learn crucial survival skills through play and observation of adults. In the wild, badgers typically live up to 10 years, though some individuals in protected environments may live considerably longer. Badgers are true ecosystem engineers, significantly modifying their environments. Their constant digging aerates soil and improves its structure and fertility. This soil disturbance creates ideal conditions for plant growth and seed germination. As they move through their territories, badgers redistribute nutrients across the landscape. Their activities promote the growth of beneficial soil organisms and microbes. Abandoned badger sets provide shelter for numerous other species. From foxes and rabbits to various bird species, many animals benefit from badger excavations. Badgers help regulate populations of rodents and insects. This natural pest control helps maintain ecological balance in their habitats. Habitat loss remains the primary threat to badger populations worldwide. The relentless march of human development carves up the landscape, leaving a patchwork of isolated green spaces. For badgers, whose lives are anchored to extensive, multi-generational set systems, this is catastrophic. These intricate underground homes are bulldozed for new housing or plowed under for agriculture. This fragmentation isolates populations, preventing dispersal and leading to a decline in genetic diversity, making them more vulnerable to disease. As territories shrink, badgers are forced to cross the ever-expanding network of roads. Road mortality poses a significant threat, particularly to European badger populations, where it's estimated tens of thousands are killed annually. These nocturnal foragers, following ancient pathways, are often no match for traffic. Dazzled by headlights, their instinct to freeze is a fatal hesitation that can decimate entire clans. In some regions, badgers also face direct persecution, illegally hunted for sport. But the most contentious conflict stems from agriculture. In Britain, badgers have been controversially linked to bovine tuberculosis transmission in cattle. This has led to contentious culling programs and an ongoing, deeply divisive scientific debate. While farmers point to economic losses, many scientists and conservationists question the cull's effectiveness, arguing it's an inhumane approach that can even worsen disease spread by disrupting badger social structures. Thankfully, dedicated conservation efforts are underway. These include creating wildlife corridors, such as specially constructed underpasses that allow safe passage beneath deadly roads. Protecting and restoring critical habitats like ancient woodlands and hedgerows is paramount. Furthermore, education programs help promote understanding and dispel myths, fostering coexistence between humans and badgers. Protected areas, from large national parks to small local reserves, provide the essential safe havens where badger populations can recover and flourish without persecution. Conservation must also be tailored to specific species. The hog badger of Southeast Asia, for example, requires particular attention. Its vulnerable status is a direct result of deforestation for palm oil and intense hunting pressure. To save species like this, ongoing research is critical. Scientists use camera traps and tracking studies to gather vital data on their behavior and population numbers. This research helps inform effective conservation strategies, from designing protected areas to implementing anti-poaching patrols and guiding population management decisions. Throughout history, badgers have burrowed deep into our collective imagination, featuring prominently in folklore and literature. In ancient Celtic lore, they were seen as guardians of treasure and keepers of stories, their subterranean lives linking them to the other world. This image of a wise, grounded figure was famously cemented in Kenneth Grahame's The Wind in the Willows. Mr. Badger, stern yet kind, represents a steadfast anchor of tradition and common sense. From these classic children's stories to ancient myths, they consistently symbolize a profound persistence and deep-rooted determination. This symbolism varies wonderfully across cultures. In Japan, the badger or Mujina is a shape-shifting trickster figure, a master of disguise and illusion. For many Native American tribes, the badger is a powerful animal guide connected to the earth's healing energies. As a master digger, it is believed to possess knowledge of roots and herbs, representing tenacity. It's no surprise that many cultures have adopted the badger as a symbol of unwavering resolve and industriousness. Then, in the 21st century, a new chapter was written. In modern times, the honey badger has achieved explosive internet fame as a symbol of absolute fearlessness. Propelled by a viral video sensation, its relentless nature was given a new voice, one that simply doesn't care. This attitude resonated with millions, becoming a cultural shorthand for defiance in the face of overwhelming odds. Its don't care attitude has made it an unlikely internet icon, a modern totem for pure, unadulterated tenacity. This journey from mythical figure to meme highlights our enduring fascination. Badgers continue to fascinate and educate people about wildlife conservation and natural behavior. They are more than symbols. They are vital ecosystem engineers whose burrows create habitats for other species. They serve as excellent ambassadors for environmental awareness, helping us understand the challenges facing their habitats. These remarkable creatures remind us of the importance of persistence, adaptation, and coexistence. As we continue to share this planet, translating our cultural admiration into concrete conservation action is paramount. Understanding and protecting badgers ensures their remarkable legacy, both in our stories and in the wild, endures for all future generations.